Want to be financially free? It's a dream many of us share. It's a question I hear all the time. How can we achieve it? The world is changing fast. Every day, new opportunities and challenges arise. Technology is changing even faster. Innovations are transforming our daily lives. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the future. It's not just a buzzword, it's a revolution. It's changing how we live, work, and even earn money. AI is powerful and versatile. It can analyze huge amounts of data in seconds, providing insights that were previously unimaginable. It can spot trends we might miss, helping us make informed decisions. This is a game changer for businesses. And for you, imagine the possibilities. Imagine using AI to make smarter decisions about your money. It's like having a financial advisor at your fingertips. That's the power AI brings to the table. It can predict market trends and optimize your investments. AI isn't just for big companies. It's for everyone, including small business owners and individual entrepreneurs. OnPassive is making AI accessible to everyone, no matter your background or business size. Imagine having the power of AI working for you. The possibilities are endless. It's like having a team of experts working 24/7 to help you succeed. With AI, your financial freedom is within reach. Before we dive in, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. Thanks. Let's talk about OnPassive, a game changer in the business world. It's not just another company. It's a movement, a revolution in how we think about business. Their mission? To empower people like you and me through cutting-edge technology and innovative solutions. They're using AI to level the playing field, making advanced technology accessible to everyone. OnPassive is all about automation, streamlining processes to enhance efficiency. Imagine your business running smoothly, even when you're not there. That's what OnPassive offers: peace of mind and reliability. Their platform automates tasks, saving you time and money, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. It's not just about automation, it's about smart automation, making intelligent decisions for your business. OnPassive's AI learns and adapts, continuously improving its performance. It gets better over time, ensuring sustained growth and success. This means your business keeps growing even while you sleep, providing you with unparalleled growth and efficiency. OnPassive provides a suite of powerful tools. These tools are designed to help you succeed online. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, OnPassive has something for you. Let's talk about their marketing tools. They use AI to target the right customers. No more wasted ad spend. Your message reaches the people who are most likely to be interested. Think about it. Personalized campaigns that convert. That's the power of OnPassive's AI. It's like having a personal marketing team at your fingertips. Section 4. Success stories. Real people. Real results with OnPassive. I've heard stories of people quitting their jobs, achieving financial freedom and living their dreams. Imagine the courage it takes to make such a leap. Many will prove that OnPassive is more than just a company. It's a movement that empowers individuals to take control of their futures. It's a community of people who are committed to helping each other succeed. Together, we can achieve more than we ever could alone. Section 5. Your journey to prosperity with OnPassive. A simple roadmap. Joining OnPassive is easy. It's about taking control of your future. It's about saying yes to a life of abundance and opportunity. Are you ready to take the leap? First, visit the OnPassive website. Learn about their mission and values. Watch the videos and read the testimonials. You'll be amazed by what you see. Next, choose the membership level that's right for you. OnPassive offers a variety of options to fit your budget and goals. Section 6. The time is now. Embrace the OnPassive revolution. The future is here and it's powered by AI. OnPassive is leading the charge, making AI accessible to everyone. This is your chance to be a part of something truly special. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Join OnPassive today and start building the future you deserve. It's time to take control of your financial destiny. The world is changing, and OnPassive is at the forefront. Are you ready to join the revolution? For more information about OnPassive, please go to the description below. Thank you and have an awesome day.